Welcome, adventurers, to another thrilling journey with Boundless Expeditions. Get ready to ignite your wanderlust and embark on an exciting travel destination. Hey travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to travel safely in 2024. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a global adventure, staying safe is key to enjoying your trip. But first, let's talk about some eye-opening stats on travel safety this year. According to the latest data, travel safety in 2024 has improved by 15% compared to the last couple of years. This is great news, but there are still challenges we need to be aware of. So let's get into our main topic: how to travel safely in 2024. Being well prepared can make all the difference. So why is this so important? Well, despite the improvements, there are still potential risks and challenges that can pop up. We're talking health concerns, security issues, and even changing travel restrictions. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some practical tips and tricks to ensure your trip is as safe as it is exciting. First up, let's tackle health concerns. In 2024, it's crucial to stay updated on any travel advisories and health guidelines for your destination. Make sure to pack a well-stocked first aid kit, including any necessary medications, hand sanitizer, and face masks. And hey, don't forget travel insurance that covers health emergencies. Next, let's talk about packing essentials. Aside from your health kit, pack light but smart. Include versatile clothing, a reliable power bank, copies of important documents, and a travel lock for your luggage. It's all about being prepared for anything. Staying informed is also a huge part of safe travel. Regularly check local regulations and travel advisories. Websites like the CDC and WHO are great resources for health updates. Also, download apps that provide real-time alerts for your destination. Knowledge is power, folks. Technology is your best friend when it comes to navigation and communication. Use map apps for offline navigation and translation apps to break down language barriers. And always have an emergency contact plan. Whether it's a local embassy or a friend back home, make sure someone knows your itinerary. Now here's a key insight from an expert that can significantly enhance your safety. I spoke with a travel safety specialist, and she emphasized the importance of blending in with the local culture. Avoid flashy clothing and keep your valuables discreet. This not only helps you stay safe, but also enriches your travel experience by immersing you in the local way of life. And there you have it, your guide to traveling safely in 2024. Remember, preparation is your best defense against any potential hiccups on your journey. If you have your own travel safety tips, drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other stay safe and have amazing adventures. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest travel tips and guides. Safe travels, everyone!